You can record program outputs by AVCHD or XAVCS to memory cards. Orientate the memory card in the correct direction and insert so it clicks into place. SD cards must be inserted with their terminal sides facing up. The memory card that you use must be formatted on the unit. Press the Utility button twice on the control panel to display the Utility 2/3 menu and tap Format Media. A confirmation message appears, then tap Yes. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish formatting. Configure the recording format and timecode settings. Press the Recording button. The Recording menu appears in the menu panel. Select the recording format. When you record highest quality FX format, you can record for approximately 5.5 hours. Requires a 64 GB Class 4 or above SD card. Tap Start in the Recording menu. Recording starts and the button changes to Stop. The Recording button on the control panel lights up red while recording is in progress. Now that you can record program outputs, you can proceed with normal switching operations. If you would like to finish recording, push the Recording button and then tap Stop. Use a LAN cable to connect to a computer via the PCUI network connector on the rear of the unit. Change the IP address of the computer to enable communication with the unit. The unit's IP address is fixed at 192.168.0.1. Specify an IP address that is identical to the unit's up to 192.168.0, but differs in the final set of digits. Example, instead of 192.168.0.1, instead use 192.168.0.10. Set the subnet mask to 255.255.255.0. Press the Utility button twice to display the Utility 2/3 menu and tap Network. The Network PCUI menu appears. Tap Direct to enable. Tap Connect. The IP address display is updated. To access the unit, enter the IP address displayed in the Network menu into the address bar of your web browser. When access is successful, the PCUI's live screen appears. Use the PCUI to configure the basic information necessary for streaming transmissions via the unit. Select Streaming in the Setup screen of the PCUI, and then select Account Check. The Username Configuration dialog box appears. Enter your Ustream login username and password, and select Account Check. The system verifies your Ustream login. When login is successful, the dialog box closes and your username appears in the User field of the streaming screen. Transmission controls are performed on the control panel. Press the Streaming button. The connection screen of the streaming menu appears in the menu panel. Tap Ustream to connect to the Ustream server. When connection to the Ustream server is established, Standby mode is entered and the standby icon appears in the multi-viewer. Check the channel to be transmitted. The channel specified as the default is selected in the Streaming menu. If you want to change the channel, tap the desired channel. Connection to the Ustream server is re-established and the screen appears. Tap Start. Streaming transmission starts. You can proceed with normal switching operations. The Streaming button lights up blue while transmission is in progress. If you would like to stop transmission, tap Stop. Streaming transmission stops and the Streaming button turns off. The Streaming menu enters Standby mode.